G'day, and today is a 2-for-1. So a double on unboxing. Both these items are from the UK. So it should have actually been a triple unboxing, but one item disappeared off the radar for 21 days. But it's finally been marked as leaving the UK. So it is on its way. Looks like we've got double envelope in this one. Now they are some spacers. So 2 pair of 3mm, two pair of 5mm, 2 pair of 7mm, and 2 pairs of 9mm spacers. And we'll see why I needed these in a later video. But here we've got an item from Mark Scale Models. In the UK, and this is another item, well, a pair of items for the Scalextric Porsche C61 Spider. They're rear taillights. Or just tail lights, or just rear lights. And the third item, that had something for the Porsche as well, but hopefully that'll turn up. And I'll see you in the next video.